Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you about the whole process, how you can host your WordPress website using AWS Lightsail. And now let's get started. Come to services. Here is Lightsail. Now create instance. Instance means server. You can select operating system. I will go with Linux. It is cheaper than Windows. Now choose your plan. I'm going with $7 per month. Press 1. Okay, now let's create instance. It can take 1 to 2 minutes. Access WordPress admin. Okay, so we have to wait for 1 minute, 1 or 2 minutes. It can take some time to get it live. Okay, now we have to find our username and password. Access default username, it is user. Okay, paste. Now let's fetch password. Just copy cat bitnami application password. Copy this command and come to connecting using SSH. Now paste cat bitnami application password and enter. Okay, so now we have our WordPress password. Copy and paste it here. Okay, so now you can upload your theme. Now we need to connect this IP address to our domain. So now let's copy this IP address, copy it. Now come to GoDaddy. I have purchased my domain from GoDaddy. My products, DNS. I'm using schematraders.in and I will connect this domain to my WordPress hosting. So just need to make changes here. Value parked, save. Now schematraders.in. Okay, so now you can see the website is now live. So this page and this page is now same. Now we just need to install a SSL certificate. You can get your SSL certificate from Cloudflare. Cloudflare. Cloudflare will give you a free SSL certificate without any cost. So the whole process is now completed, guys. I hope you have liked this video and you will subscribe this channel as well.